Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove all transitions at once in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already applied transitions to all my clips as you can see here, and I'm going to remove them at once. First, you're going to select them. You're going to press your control key on your keyboard and select the transition. You're going to select them first, and after you select all your transition, you just need to click on the backspace key on your keyboard, or you can click on the right click on the transition and click on delete, and the transitions will be removed at once. So let me repeat this step one more time. Select all the transitions you have using control key, and you're going to click on backspace. I know that if you have a lot of clips, it still takes time, but at least I think at least it's shorter. It has shorter time than deleting one by one. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove all transitions at once in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!